Hey everyone, welcome back to MrWonderHow. Today, I'll show you how to split windows in Visual Studio Code like a pro. This trick will boost your productivity and make coding much easier. Let's get started. To split your window, simply right-click on a File tab and select Split Up or Down, Left, Right. Another option is click on the split icon on the top right of the screen. The default behavior is split vertical. This is perfect way to reference other code files. Hold Alternate or Option to split horizontal. And that's it. Now you know how to split windows in Versus Code like a pro. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding tips, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.